What would it be like to be a millionaire from print on demand? Okay, back to reality. I created a poll about a month ago asking which avenue would you choose to make $1 million, and surprisingly, 40% said print on demand. I really wasn't expecting that, but as that was the case, I thought I would make a video seeing just how realistic that is. In this video, we're going to discover what does it take to make $1 million with print on demand. Well, of course, to answer that question, we need a scenario to work from because there are so many products with various profit margins and many print on demand companies with various product prices. So, to make it easier, we're going to aim for a $5 profit margin. The most popular print on demand product is a black t-shirt, so that's what we'll base this on. This means we would need to sell our t-shirt for $18.95 on Etsy, $22.54 on Redbubble, $19.70 selling via merch by Amazon, and $19.95 selling on Shopify, again via Printful. Right out the gate, we see this is going to be hard, mainly because these are high prices. Nonetheless, at $5 per item, we would need to sell 200,000 t-shirts. Quite a large number. That would be an average of 548 t-shirt sales a day if we want to do this in a year. We all know that's incredibly unrealistic, so if we look at a more realistic time frame, we could probably aim to sell around 50 t-shirts a month when we're starting out. And don't worry, I'll explain in a minute how you can do just that. That means we would be making $250 a month, meaning it would take 4,000 months or 333 years to make $1 million. Again, that just doesn't seem realistic. I mean, 333 years. As well as that, we haven't factored in growth over time. So I wanted to ask some other print-on-demand sellers what they thought. I spoke to Ryan Hogue and Juna of Detour Shirts. Ryan is getting around 2,000 sales a month. With that figure, if Ryan is getting $5 profit per item, it would take him 8.3 years to reach $1 million. That's a lot better than 333 years. And Juna from Detour Shirts is getting around 3,000 sales per month. Again, if we're saying $5 profit, it would take Juna 5.5 years to hit that 1 million mark. I also did a large amount of research on various Facebook groups to find out how many sales per month people were getting. For an Amazon merch account on tier 4,000, you could be looking at 150 to 250 sales a month with no ads and about 400 sales a month with ads. The more sales you get, the faster you'll grow. But for the ease of this calculation, we're working this out as if sales stayed the same forever. With 400 sales a month, it would take 41 years to hit 1 million in sales. That seems like a long time, but you have to remember that over time you'll grow and sales will get faster and faster and faster. And on top of that, when you have 10,000 designs uploaded making you money, there will be very little upkeep. The only thing you would be doing is adding new designs if you wanted to, which would only further your success and speed up this goal. And remember, just like Ryan and Juna, as soon as you start tearing up on Amazon and creating organic designs, those sales figures will jump up drastically. Now that we've got the fun bit of the video out the way, let's talk practically. What does it take to get those sales? Is it all luck? Is it skill, advertising, or social media that's driving those sales? Let's find out. The biggest contributor to a high number of sales is advertising, and I'm talking specifically on the Merch by Amazon platform. As soon as you get access to Amazon ads, use them. Now, not everyone has access to Amazon ads, so how else can you market your products? The best way is social media. And with that, the most popular way to grow insanely fast is through Reels, Shorts, and TikToks. These are 15 to 60 second long videos, and they can be of anything. Personally, I'd recommend keeping them niche specific. And these short videos shouldn't only display your products. Try a more subtle approach to selling. If people are genuinely interested, they'll look further. They'll click your link and hopefully they'll buy. You can also do paid methods like Facebook advertising, Google advertising, Instagram ads, and finally TikTok ads. TikTok ads are currently very cheap and very targeted, so definitely give them a go. There's so much more to marketing that I've previously covered on this YouTube channel. Marketing is a massive part of being successful, and if you really want to ensure you get sales, you're gonna want to check out this video where I test out a brand new method that I think will completely blow your mind. So go check that video out next.